Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have basics: GitHub account, VS Code or supported IDE, and a project folder. Now take the first step: install and sign into the Copilot extension and enable inline suggestions. Create a new file and type a short comment describing the function you want, then press enter. You want immediate feedback, so start with a simple, concrete prompt. This helps Copilot produce useful code rather than vague results. Once you have basic suggestions, guide Copilot for precision. You do that by adding type annotations, example inputs, or explicit edge cases in comments, because Copilot learns context from nearby code. When a suggestion appears, accept it, edit it, or request alternatives. Cycle through completions to compare choices. Make sure to include constraints, for example, time complexity or security requirements. So to complete a feature, run unit tests and a linter right away, because passing tests prove the suggestion works. Then refactor any Copilot output into clear, small functions and add documentation comments so future you understands intent. If output is incorrect or unsafe, change your prompt to be more specific, supply example inputs, or temporarily disable certain suggestion modes. One key troubleshooting tip: when Copilot repeats wrong patterns, reset context by opening a minimal file and reprompting to clear misleading history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.